Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete your story on Snapchat. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Snapchat application and assuming that you have already logged into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which you will gain access to your camera. From the home page, if you have already posted a story, at the top left section instead of your profile, you will see your story icon. Go ahead and tap on this and you will be taken into your profile. From your profile menu, if you scroll a little bit down, you will find your current story underneath My Stories section. Go ahead and tap on this story and now you will be able to delete this story if you wish to by tapping on the three dots at the top right corner. Now from this menu, tap on the delete option and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete this Snap story. You can tap on the delete button if you are sure that you want to delete it. And as soon as you tap on the delete button, your story will be deleted from your Snapchat account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your stories on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.